Hey folks, I'm Ben from FireAlarm.Training. I designed our training to teach practical skills that are used out in the field. We just released our first course bundle called Fire Alarm 101. With our on-demand 4K videos, you can make sure your staff is trained right, assign courses to your techs and track their progress, accelerate onboarding of new team members. You can even hire from outside the industry. We'll help your green employees learn the trade and start adding value quickly. To learn more, check us out at FireAlarm.Training. For a limited time, use this coupon to get 10% off any course bundle. We're always adding new content. Once you're a member, you'll get instant access to new content anytime it gets added to your package. You'll also get access to members-only resources like a simple reference library and cable pinouts. If you want to get jobs done faster and have fewer headaches, you need us to train your team. Check us out today.